What's up, model brats? It's Petrol God here. So today we're gonna continue the part two of what if Deco had the Omnitrix. So yeah, this is the part two, and I'm gonna continue as I said in the on and up sub specials that I'm gonna continue all the previous part ones of this whole series. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get watching. So the last time we left off where Izuku picked up Ida and used Accelerate to run away. Yeah, I was just jogging because it's early morning in my country, and I was jogging and came right now and thought I was gonna make a video. Yeah. Anyways, so then Izuku used the next day, which is the battle test day. Normal classes goes the same, and then until All Might comes, Izuku is excited, but not as excited as as Canon, because he has a quirk. He can do whatever he wants. But for now, he is cautious not to trigger any heroes, because why would he have something upon himself? Why would he have some heroes angry about himself if he doesn't act like it? So he behaves like a good boy in front of All Might and other teachers. Yeah, because Izuku has that kind of mindset for some reason. So then we come to the battle class, and then we have this teams will change a bit. And here's the shipping. Okay, it is the shipping is Izuku and Momo in the one team, and what is it, Katsuki and Hida in another team. You know, Team A, Midoriya's team as hero, and Katsuki as a villain. All Might says, and then all of them go to the watching place, and Izuku and Momo start to make a plan. Momo is too intelligent for her own sake. So for to compared to her, Deku goes to gray matter and starts talking. Momo surprised. This guy turned alien. This guy turned and used his quirk in front of him. And what the hell is this guy's quirk? And then he has Momo asks what his quirk is. Me, Deku, thinks for a bit because he has gray matter's brain right inside him, and he says, "Alien transformations." Momo's like, "What?" Well, I have alien transformations, and I need a container to use the alien transformation safely. If not, my whole body will explode. So that's why I couldn't use my quirks until now, and that's why Katsuki is like enraging. This is when Katsuki hears, Katsuki doesn't hear it because he's in the upper floors, and then that's where Momo and Izuku take a plan. The plan is that Katsuki is gonna come in blindly because Izuku knows Kachan very well, and he says that he'll take on the blast boy, and then the Momo can go upstairs and one do wait for him, or you can do complete the exercise. Momo is agree with it because that's an okay plan. Instead of they have something to finish with. So yeah, that's when they both go inside the match. Battle starts, and Izuku and Momo go inside. Izuku's in his human form, and goes uh, focuses on focuses on his hearing, which he has developed in his 10 months, because who knows if he needs his sensory abilities. He slowly goes, walks around. Then he hears Deka, and then he smiles, saying, I really didn't even need to, use my sensory abilities, because that guy will shout all the time. Izuku thinks and turns, catching coming right face down. He doesn't, transform. This annoys Bakugo, and he uses full speed. Headbutt Izuku, but then a big green leg envelops Izuku, and he's diamond head. Bakugo, who cannot change his trajectory, straight runs to Diamond's crystals, and then Bakugo falls down, knocked out. I mean, come on, man! If you full forcefully headbutt your if you full forced headbutt your headbutt in the crystal, in a diamond crystal, then of course you will faint. Someone will die, but he was able to stop the force of the hit, quite a bit. Katsuki was able to stop the force of it quite a bit, but still he got knocked out. Izuku was like, why did this guy challenge me out of nowhere? He needed to make a strategy, Izuku thinks. He said, then he transforms into his normal form, takes the duct tape, binds him, and then he runs him. Okay, now I want to talk about Izuku's, dress, hero's dress. It's the Ben 10 dress, the Alien Force one. The green jacket with the 10 written on it. Izuku's famous number is 10, and he has 10 aliens. 10 or yeah, 10 for now, because he'll activate the aliens later. And yeah, he runs up and sees Momo fighting Ida, using a shield creation and all. Izuku uses accelerate, comes in front of Ida, knees him in the stomach, and then catches him and runs. And while running, he says, touch it, touch the bomb. And uh, Momo couldn't comprehend what just happened. Just dumbly nods and touches the bomb, and yeah, they win. And then Zuko stops, goes to transformation, and says, you shouldn't have acted demon like. Come on, man." And yeah, and all that is goes the same except for Minata and Ochako's match, because since I changed Ochako with Momo, I have to add Minata and Ochako. When Minata creeps with Ochako breaks him. Seriously breaks him. Even Momo, Momo has big things, big assets, so she has experience on people staring it, but Ochako doesn't. So she beats the crap out of Minata. And yeah, she made a mistake because the other team, wins. I don't know what team it was, but yeah. Then the day finishes, Momo and Izuku, start talking, and Nida comes and they start talking. Ochako tries to come in, but Mina just, takes her up and adds her to her gang. Why not? Her gang is Jiro, Kaminari, Kirishima. Kirishima, sees Izuku, and he's like, this guy is manly, and goes to Izuku and introduces himself. Izuku introduces himself as well. You know, Kirishima's like, this guy isn't cocky, but why did he had cocky at that time? And Izuku knew what he was thinking in mind, and he just said, "Well, I was, excited and nervous at the same time as I was having an headache at the morning because of that." Katsuki at this guy, points to Katsuki because of this guy shouting all day. So I had a headache, so I didn't really understand what I was saying. So yeah, sorry about that. Kirishima's like, oh, this guy, has a headache with this guy, so I need to help him. And yeah, they four become friends, good friends, Kirishima leaves the Mina group and joins the Deku group. And Katsuki is like alone, he doesn't have any group right now, he's just alone sitting and angry faced. Always gargling. And yeah, the day ends with the next day being the USJ, and this is where we are going to continue. So USJ, Izuku and the class goes, and Izuku sits with Ida. Yeah. Oh yeah, the class president stuff. The same happens. Izuku. No. I'm sorry. Izuku becomes the class president totally. And because when the press comes inside, try to comes inside, Izuku what's in the wall, sees it, and changes into the diamond head, and puts a crystal on top of the exit, and shouts saying, it's just the press, calm down. And everyone calms down, and then he goes back to normal. This infuriates Bakugo, because why not? This guy is Quirk, and this Quirk, has hardened material which burst his head. No, yeah, don't worry, Bakugo is, okay, but his mind is shaked up, so yeah, he's more angry than ever. And then we come to the USJ. Yeah, Everyone sits in the bus. Ida and Deku, sits in the bus. Ida using his, hand shaking her. But Deku, says, "Why are you doing this?" And Deku tries to, changes Ida to be a more fashionable way instead of being in a robotic way. Ida is, liking it being in a fashionable way instead of being in a robotic way. He wants to change, but he can't change for some obvious reasons because he doesn't have any opportunity to change. But now Izuku is there, has a good fashion sense and all. Because 10 months Izuku has been doing nothing but having, he's trying to gain some popularity. Because who knows, maybe his popularity might save him someday. So yeah, he changes his popularity, his style, and everything. So yeah. Yeah, and one more thing in Izuku's, face, the, what do you say? The mark. Yeah, so in that 10 Benton, green shirt, he has a hoodie. And he has a small mask, to cover his face. And with he has the black inner shirt. And then he has, brown pants, which Benton wore in the originals. So yeah, his Benton costume is some good things. But anyways, we are here with another anything. But then the USJ starts. USJ starts. None of the starting openings are the same because no 13 introduces herself and then the USJ attack starts. Where they are then normally they are separated from each other, and Izuku still separates with Sui and Minata. Then Izuku forms up a plan very quick. He checks his alien, and he got two new alien yesterday because he was meddling with he was meddling with the Omnitrix, and he got two more aliens, which was Jigsaw, the Saw alien, and he used it and jumped inside the water, and he with the swimming skills used them to bite them, and yeah, the bad was pretty bad. And sorry for the background music. I am really in the home with the background music, so sorry. And yeah, everything goes on so until the battle with Aizawa gets his whooped, has whooped, and Aizawa gets his ass whooped, and yeah, then Deku comes in, saves Sui, and yeah, he starts his fight with Nomu, and he uses forearms for it. But then Nomu punches him in the stomach of the forearm. He gets back, and then Shigaraki makes a statement about Nomu. Then Deku just asks one thing: "So he isn't human, right?" Shigaraki says, "Yes, he isn't." Deku has a wide smile over a grin to be exact, a wide grin over his face. Shigaraki is confused. He goes into diamond, uses his crystal power, to make a flood of this thing, a flood of crystals. All surrounding is here, and then he uses Ghost Freak. Slowly goes inside, and then takes control. Yeah, Ghost Freak can do the controlling thing. He's just not, for transferring. I'm sorry for the background music because it's very loud. But anyways, Ghost Freak uses the control music, and Nomo just stands there. Shigaraki doesn't know what it is, and he slowly comes to Nomo and says, "Nomo, are you okay?" Nomo turns to Shigaraki, catches his head, and slowly takes him up. And in a in extremely dangerous voices, "I am not Name. I am Ghost Freak." Shigaraki bets his pants right is there, and then the hero comes up. And then All Might. Oh my god, the background music is so bad. I'm sorry about that. So then All Might comes up. Deku sees in time to go out of the body and be in forearms for All Might not to say that he was in Ghost Freak, and nobody really didn't see except for Minata was scared as shit. And then we have All Might versus the Nomu fight, which goes as the same. But All Might's quirk, who does it go to? I think it will go to Togata. Yeah, it will go to Togata. And yeah, that's where we're gonna end it. Oh my god, the background music. Can you stop playing the drums, please? stop ring the bells, I mean. So yeah, this is the end of this is the end of this episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, then like, subscribe, do the necessary stuff. Then peace out.